Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Get the Wi-Fi worked out, so seems to be any open networks. Can't really do it on the live stream. We'll end up, we'll go back and do it the old way. I think maybe I'll have to upgrade and get more Wi-Fi and that kind of thing. No, there it is. Yeah, I'm probably going to get copyrighted on that. I don't know. Even the cows down here say it's going to rain. They do not like getting wet. Obviously, anybody new to the channel, that's an ale-op. They've always got cows outside. Ale-op, alley-hop.
If they've always got cows outside, why aren't you stood outside one?
Thank you, Marcus. I'm old, I'm retired.
Oh, okay.
Looking quite bad down there at the moment, with all the bars shut and the restaurants. I do think this is why it's quiet.
You might need to move in a minute, that's a tin lorry coming.
Yeah, I think we've got the bin lorry coming up. You can see some shops are open. The bin lorry going down. So I believe shops can open. I think it's just bars and restaurants that can't open. They're starting to open up again now. I think they're just going through the motions there rather than considering so much money at the moment. Keeping people in jobs. Is that the museum in there, Marcus?
Yep.
Yep, the museum there. Never been in there, have we?
No.
When it reopens, we're going to have to make an effort and go in there.
It's sad you can't go visit your old home, is it, Dad?
Which bar are you on about now, Marcus?
The museum where you belong.
Move lights all the way down for Valentine's Day. Just a pity nobody will be open for Valentine's Day. So I'm in Benidorm at the moment. Benidorm waits for you.
See?
Just having a little walk down through here now. go, but Marcus is coming on me. It's over 800 subscribers now. He wants to get his channel to there as quick as possible now. If anybody hasn't subscribed, go over to Benidorm Crazy Marcus. Similar stuff to me, but I take it from a younger angle. Go over there and just subscribe. Benidorm Crazy Marcus, it'd be much appreciated. So we can get him up there soon I can have some money of my own. Take me out for a beer. Hey Marcus. So you can take me out for a beer then?
No.
Yeah, I thought that'd be the answer.
I'll take you to it.
Well, shut up there. That one's a hotel. What was happening with this middle space, Marcus? Any idea?
That place?
This middle bit here.
I don't know, actually.
I don't know whether they're going to rebuild there or what. There's bricks in there, so it looks like they would be rebuilding something. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. There's a restaurant there. Chinese, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously open for takeaway now. Harbour's there. Charlie's still to open. The supermarket there that's shut. Oh. Maybe he just thinks it isn't worth it now at the moment. Zodiac Bar. Of course, next door you've got the refuel bar. Nice to see all this reopen again. Wouldn't recommend that place. I've only ever been in there once and the staff seemed to have a chip on their shoulder. to bother everybody else. Let me know if you've had the same experience. Slow walk down here now, down to the end, and then we'll end the film. See what Marcus wants to do today then. Right, let's film down this way. So we'll be moving back to sometime in the future. New hotel there. Just cross over and leave you with a picture of that. What's the hotel called, Marcus?
Hotel H10 Port Continental.
Say again.
Hotel H10 Port Continental.
Thank you, Marcus. I don't know if it's been refurbished or a new hotel they've made there.
New hotel.
They look like a new hotel, doesn't it? That's brand new, white view's coming. Stay there. Looks like it to me. Very nice hotel, very great views. Let's see. Over the best beach in Benidorm. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you there because we're getting on with the video now. To about 14 minutes, well just under 14 minutes. So if you could subscribe to Marcus's channel, Benidorm Crazy Marcus, I would appreciate that very much. And like and subscribe on mine if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.